Because my question to you is, what do you practice every day? What do you practice? Because what you practice, you are going to get good at. What do you practice? Do you practice joy in your life? Do you practice peace in your life? Do you practice happiness in your life? Or do you practice a lot of complaining? If you complain, you're going to get really good at it. And you will get so good at it, you will find fault with everything. Even when there is no fault that a layman cannot see, you being an expert will see it. What do you practice? Do you practice anger? Because if you practice anger, you're going to get very good at it. In fact, you're going to get so good at it that the most trivial thing, will make you angry. Like sitting on an airplane and seeing the seat across from you somehow looks better than the one you have been given. And that is so unfair of the airlines. What do you practice? And what have you been practicing? Because there is an art to practice too. If I take a violin and take the bow and just rub it against the violin, it's going to make some screeching noises, terrible noises. And I can practice that every day, and become really good at making screeching noises from a violin. So what is it that you practice every single day? From the time you get up to the time you go to sleep, what do you practice? Do you worry a lot? Because if you practice being worried, guess what? You are going to get good at it. And you're going to get so good at it that everything will worry you, including the buffalo you don't have. Because you will get good at being worried. So then I propose, if this is true, that it is a question of practice, then I propose you practice joy.